In this video, I'm going to show you how to use BambooHR. So this is going to be a tutorial and walkthrough of the entire platform, how to use it, which features it has, and basically where to find them, okay? So by default, when you sign into your dashboard, you're going to be on the Home tab. On your Home tab here, it's going to basically greet you, and then over here you have a few buttons. You can quickly create a new employee and new report, of course, if you are the admin, which I am of my workspace over here, and you can also edit things over here if you want to. Then you'll be able to start your tour over here. You'll be able to invite your team if you're the admin, and then it's going to basically show you the My Time widget over here, which allows you to enter the time worked, clock in or clock out, depending on what type of My Time you are using with your company. And then over here you can see basically how your company is performing, what's going on, etc. So as you can see, I'm viewing sample data over here. That's why different names are in here, so don't worry about this. I'm not actually leaking anyone's info. I'm just showing, of course, using sample demo data in here, okay? So here you can see kind of your announcements, what's going on. You can see your time off, how much you have of it, basically how many days you have of sick leave, etc. And you can, of course, manage this by clicking on it over here or requesting time off. Then you can see your stuff here. You have your goals, training, your benefits, total rewards, etc. And you can also see things like your direct reports down here. You can see the head count and the turnover as well. So here's some quick reports, and then you can see celebrations such as birthdays over here, and you can see who's out for the day. You can see the company links, and then of course here it's going to basically welcome you and the new members. You can see the used time off, people without a pay raise over here, and then incomplete trainings, locations, etc. So there's a bunch of different widgets which you can go through and kind of see the overview of your entire company. Now, depending on if you are an admin or just a normal employee, you'll see some of those or not, okay? So these may be visible or not, depending on basically how you're viewing this, okay? If you click on this edit tab, top right, it's going to allow you to add or remove these widgets at your own wish, okay? So that's kind of the first thing you can do on the Home tab. You also have the My Info tab, which is one of the most important tabs in here because all the employees are going to be able to basically type in their vitals, as they call it over here, which are their phone numbers, emails, socials, etc. over here. And then in here they can see basically their personal info. So you can see this for every employee in your company, of course, as long as the permissions are there and you have the permission to do so. You'll be able to see the personal info and you can change it. You have the job info over here, which again you can change as well and kind of see how it is. And then you have like a bunch of different tabs over here where you can basically change things. So you have time off over here where you can of course see everything regarding your time off. And then you have emergency where you can see your emergency info, the recognition, timesheet, etc. So these are going to be the most basic ones over here. But then you have more as well, where you have things like performance, training, your documents, certifications. We have notes, assets, benefits. We have expense tracking. We have time in over here, job requisition form, and then onboarding and offboarding as well. If at any point you want to customize these tabs, click on the Customize Tabs button and you are good to go. You'll be able to customize these as you wish. Now, top right here, if you want to request any changes, you can do so. You can of course do an asset request, compensation, employment status, job info, promotion, etc. And then from here you'll be able to basically request signatures, get different forms, and then you'll be able to also set your time and attendance and then set different groups, etc. Okay? You could also reset a specific user's password if you are of course the admin of your company and the workspace. So that's the My Info tab done. So this tab over here, the next one is called Recognition, and this is where you can basically award points to different people if they're going the extra mile, doing extra work, etc. We here in my demo company don't have this set up, so I can't show you, but it's actually super simple to use. Then we have the People tab here, and this People tab is going to allow you to see all the people inside your company, and of course you'll be able to add new employees if you are the admin. You can search your employees, group them, filter them, see the list, organization chart, etc. Okay, so that's this part. You have hiring over here. So in here you'll find everything regarding hiring. So in my case here, there we go, we have job openings, there's some demo jobs, you have candidates, you have talent pools, etc. And if you are the admin, you'll be able to use this and of course kind of recruit different people or hire them, okay? Then you have reports. Inside reports, you can see the reports for your company. So here you can see I'm under recent. You have like today, you have last 7 days, last month, etc. And you have like recent, you have dashboards, you have standard reports, benchmarks, signed documents, custom reports, etc. You can customize pretty much whatever you want in here. And if at any point you want to create a new report, click on the button top right and you'll be able to do so that easy, okay? Now we have the Files tab. In here you'll see your files and documents. You can see all files, signature templates, and then you have like a bunch of different folders, which of course you can add by clicking this button top right. You can add a folder like that, and of course you can add in different files by going into the folder and clicking Upload File top right. Then you have this tab, which is called Compensation. So inside the Compensation tab, when this loads up, there we go, as you can see, you can basically see the compensation benchmarking. You can then see the pay grades and bands. You can see planning, total rewards, etc. And of course, everything can be managed in here and basically seen like customer success, finance, etc. Okay. Then you have time and attendance. Now, this is going to be available if you have enabled it, which I had enabled it. But of course, it's going to show you kind of time and attendance, the schedules for different offices. You can change and publish updates if you are the admin, etc. And last but not least, we have this one, which is the global employment, which basically allows you to see everything regarding global employment. So over here, you'll see that there we go. It's going to allow me to schedule a demo. I don't have this on, but if you do, you'll be able to find it in there. Just as a quick heads up, if you want to add any of these add-ons, the easiest way is to go to the settings button top right, click on the account tab over here, and then under account info, scroll down, and here you can see add-ons. Click on available upgrades over here, add-ons, and then click on enable, and that's going to enable that specific add-on. Now from here you also have your account, so if you click on that, you'll be able to see your account settings, change your password, manage your two-step login, you'll be able to get your passkeys, see app integrations, get API keys, and of course, last but not least, log out of your account whenever you're done with your work. And then this button is just going to collapse and expand the menu. Now up top right, you have the search bar. You can type in whatever and it's going to find it. So for example, if I type in, I don't know, maybe like instant, it's going to find different employees. There we go, as you can see. It's going to find different things in here, so we can look for pretty much whatever you have in your company, but usually this is just like an employee search or something like that, okay? Then you have this button, which is going to be kind of your notifications together with inbox, and if you are a admin, you'll see in here all the requests. So we have timesheets, time off requests, you have information updates, asset requests, eligibility changes, onboarding. There's a bunch of things you can click in here, and then you'll be able to approve them, of course, disapprove them, cancel them, etc. Okay, so these are all your requests. You can find them in here in this menu. Then this button is going to allow you to see the resource center. So we have the help center, you have step-by-step guides, you can chat with them if you need them, etc. And then of course this button up top right is, as I said, the settings. Inside settings, you'll find a bunch of different things. Here you can see there's a bunch of different things you can change, enable, etc. I'm not going to go through these. If you need any help with them, you can always just contact support. Look at the different videos on my channel, because I do have a full tutorial on basically BambooHR on different functions. There are short tutorials. A playlist is going to be linked at the end of this video, which you can go watch. And you can also go and ask this AI chatbot top right, which is going to help you with different things in here. You can ask it and it's going to give you the answer, okay? So that's essentially how to use the BambooHR dashboard. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.